Alright, on this next exercise they ask us to find the phase shift. Remember, phase shift is another name for horizontal shift. So it'll always be inside the parentheses, and so you're going to need to describe the direction and how far. So remember, you always do the opposite, I hot over. So since it's a plus sign, that means we will go left, and we'll go left pi units. Okay. The next one, it says y is equal to negative 3 sine x minus pi over 3. The phase shift is what's in the parentheses here, and since it's a minus, we will go right. So it'll be right, and the amount is pi over 3. Really, just do you understand transformations? Alright, and our next little exercise here, it says write the equation of a sine function that has the given characteristics. Has an amplitude of 2 for the first one, and a period of 6 pi. So to write the sine function, I would say y is equal to, remember that the general form would be like y is equal to a sine of bx. This would be without a phase shift or a vertical change at all. Y is equal to a sine of bx. So amplitude is a, so this will be y is equal to 2 times the sine. Now I don't know what b is yet, but I know that b is equal to 2 pi divided by the period. My period, they told me, was 6 pi. So if you have 2 pi divided by 6 pi, notice the pi's cancel, so you just have 2 over 6, which reduces to 1/3. So b is 1/3. So I just write y is equal to 2 sine of 1/3 x. Alright, kind of makes sense? So this would be the answer that you would be looking for, okay? This will be multiple choice. They'll have different answers, but you would say y is equal to 2 sine 1/3 x. They'll tell you that it's the sine function, and it's the same way on your test. Alright, let's look at the next one here. They tell us write a sine function that has an amplitude of 6, so that part's easy. It'll just be y is equal to 6 times the sine. What I have to figure out is the b. Remember that b is equal to 2 pi divided by the period, so 2 pi divided by 7. That doesn't really reduce at all, so it'll just be y is equal to 6 sine 2 pi over 7 x. And it'll look just like that. That would be your answer. Alright, and for the last one here, it says it has an amplitude of 3 and a period of 4. So we would say y is equal to 3 times the sine, and remember that b is equal to 2 pi over the period, which is 4 pi. Pi's cancel, and 2/4 just reduces to 1/2. So b is 1/2, so y is equal to 3 sine of 1/2 x. And that would be our answer.